Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer Preset for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now we need to go to the sound, is middle top, and right here I have my sound effects. We need to scroll it to the left, and right here we have customization. To create Equalizer Preset we need to tap at this button. Now make something good for you. Let's say I wanna this one, and after you did it you need to click save, and let's call it test, and then OK. Also, you can create a default preset, or you can modify this preset. So let's say you prefer bass boost. You select heavy bass, but you don't like something. You click customization, and now we have this preset, and we can modify it. And you can increase something or lower, and then save it. Also, we can reset it, and we have a default preset right here, and now you can also make something good for you. After that, you also click save, and let's call it test 2. Now, we cannot modify this preset, so as you can see, now I select, let's say, call test, and I can change it. It's the same with test 2, the second preset I cannot modify it. I can only delete this preset. So right here at the right side we have a button delete, and as you can see I just delete my presets. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!